Good morning Pilipinas and good morning world! Mabuhay po kayong lahat. This is Neo, Kuya Edie Padua at ito po ang maikling kwento ng buhay ko sa AIM Global. Well, nakilala ko ang AIM Global 2006 dahil sa meron akong karamdaman, meron akong cancer and napainom ako ng produkto at yun ang isa sa pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko nang makilala ko ang products ng AIM Global. After 1 year and 8 months, na-declared po ako na magaling na ang aking cancer. Cancer-free na po. Sinimulan ko ang negosyo 2007 at syempre hindi ganun kadali. I started in Pampanga sa Mabalacat dahil wala naman talagang naniniwala dito sa Cavite sa akin. So, nag-transfer ako ng Pampanga at kung saan doon ay hindi ko naman talaga nais na magnegosyo kundi gusto ko lang magpahinga at maibahagi ang kagandahan. Amazing talaga kasi ang produkto ng AIM Global. Well, siyempre, nung sinisimulan mong i-share at hindi pa naman kilala ang company, hindi pa masyadong kilala, ay napakahirap para sa mga taong hindi nakikilala o hindi alam kung ano yung ini-offer natin. So, mas marami ang rejections. Well, pag pinag-usapan natin yung hirap at pagod, ay mas mahirap talaga noon when we were starting because wala pa naman kasi noong mga proof o wala pa talagang pwede tayong ipakitang may resulta o ilan pa kasi ang testimonials natin, no? Yung mga testimonies natin. But this time, napakarami na. Ako noon siguro ang pinanghawakan ko lang ay sobra akong naniwala sa kagandahan ng produkto at talagang sobrang laki nang naitulong sa akin ng produkto ng AIM Global. Until such time, napakaganda pala ng negosyo. At I never thought na ang grupo ko ay mangangalat hindi lang sa Pilipinas, maging sa buong mundo. In my first 3 months, talagang grabe, tumodo ako araw-araw. I work like a horse, sabi nga nila. I work 18 hours a day. I keep on sharing the products every single day. Nag-house to house kami. And we found out that Pampanga is the largest population of cancer here in the Philippines. That is why I got so many clients and I sold a lot of products and grabe talaga. Doon ako nagsimula at nakita ko kung gaano kaganda ang produkto. Itinodo ko talaga ang paggawa ng negosyo. Huwag na nating pag-usapan ng mga resulta dahil yun lang gumaling ako sa produkto. Sobrang blessed na po kami doon. Nagsimula ang grupo ng United Emperor Alliance. Well, hindi ganun kadali. I started to build group 2007 pa lang. And then, nagsimula kaming magbigay ng recognition 2008. Yeah, nagsimula ang ganitong gatherings sa isang clubhouse sa village kung saan ako ay nakatira ngayon. Yeah. I have like 110 attendees that time. Yeah. And some of the people still here with me. Of course, hindi madali ang bumuo ng ganitong klase ng organization. Good thing, we have the guidance from our board of directors and they always give advices for us what to do and what is the best thing to do, what is the best advice that we can give to our people. So, dun ko nakita na lumalaki unti-unti yung grupo. Well, there is no such a secret here. If you want to have a huge organization, there's no such a secret. For me, you just show your heart to your people. You have to put a lot of passion. You should be passionate in the things, in everything that you do in this world. That is what I do. I gave my heart to AIM Global. I fell in love with AIM Global. I think that is one of the main ingredients para maging successful ang grupo mo. Well, totoo po, hindi ko talaga ini-expect na magiging ganito kalaki ang resulta na makukuha ko sa AIM Global. Yeah, I must say na napakalaking factor na meron ka pong magagaling na leaders. And for you to keep leaders, you should be a leader. You yourself. Hindi po pwede na gusto mong mag-create ka ng leaders, hindi ka naman leaders. Pero kung alam mo, ang tinutugtugan mo, ang kinukumpasan mo, habang kumukumpas ka, if you are orchestrating the orchestra, you should have this ear and you should have the heart for you to be able to create a wonderful sound or a wonderful music. Maihahalin tulad ko ang isang grupo or isang matinong leader para makapag-create ng grupo sa isang orchestrator na magaling na kompositor. Kailangan nandoon yung puso mo. Ang grupo ng UEA or United Empire Alliance, marami rin pinagdaanan bago siya naging United Empire Alliance. Bakit nga po ba naging United Empire Alliance? Of course, may transition yan. Of course, from our mother group sa EA, and then we created our group United Empire Alliance kasi we're expanding all over the world. And why transformation? You have to transform for you to be able to inspire people. And for you to transform, you should have the heart. And inside your heart is the love. Kasi I found out that from the very beginning, as I said earlier, that you should put a lot of love. Kailangan umaapaw na pag-ibig doon sa ginagawa mo. Maging passionate ka. Hindi ko lang kasi ginawang hanap buhay ang AIM Global. Ginawa ko siyang partner. Kumbaga, asawa ko siya. Every single day siya ang kasama ko. And this time, tinatanong nyo kung nakakatulog pa ako, I work like 20 hours. Yeah, because I got like thousands of messages every morning. I got, in the morning, I got like more than 500 missed calls. Yeah, that is my life now. But I choose to be a networker. I choose to be a leader. But you ask me why I choose to be a silent worker? Well, for me, if you are shining from within, if a person is shining from within, you don't need a spotlight. I let my work speak. Yeah, I would say that is one of the most important ingredient is yung puso talaga, yung heart. And I choose to be a silent worker because ang nagsasalita na naman ay yung mga tao na natulungan natin. Well, the word millionaire maker or the title millionaire maker, when the first time I heard that, I really cannot accept that. Because am I worthy this title? No, it's not for me. But eventually, ang mga tao na po yung laging nasabi, oh, here's our upline, Kuya E, the millionaire maker. You know, there was a time I want to hide myself under the table. You know, I want to cover myself. Why? Because parang hindi eh. But then, nasanay na rin po ako. And I would like to thank my people, my leaders all over the world for giving me this title, millionaire maker. Of course, it's not that easy. It's not that easy to have a title like that. And it's not easy to be me. Because how can you be beaten or how can you say that you are worthy to this title? No. But I must say, yes, sometimes I ask myself, am I worthy for this title? Sometimes, pinapanalangin ko sa Diyos, ano po ba talaga? Dapat ba talaga ako dito? But, na-realize ko, marami na nga pala. This time, ang milyonaryo sa buong grupo ng United Empire Alliance ay mahigit ng 500. We have like more than 500 multimillionaires in our organization, United Empire Alliance. Ang mga ganitong gatherings ng ating pong grupo o ng United Empire Alliance ay nagsimula po sa isang clubhouse noong 2008. And we have like more than 100 attendees. And ang ating pong special guest that time ay si Sir Francis Miguel. And we called it the Future Millionaires Club Awards. Parang ganon. Yun lang dun po kami nagsimula. And then on our second year, of course, nag-upgrade na tayo sa Island Cove Hotel in Cavite. And our third year naman po ay dun po sa Taal Vista Hotel sa Tagaytay naman, syempre. And we have like more than 200 attendees. Yung nagbigay po tayo doon ng mga recognition and nakita ko na sobrang naging effective po kung paano natin i-recognize ang atin pong mga leaders. We have to give back to our people. Hindi lang yung sinasabihan lagi natin sila na, hataw lang. And then sometimes, iparamdam natin sa mga tao natin na talagang mahal natin sila and nare-recognize din natin ang mga effort nila. And of course, yung sumunod, after po natin ng sa Alvista Hotel, nag-upgrade ulit tayo dun po sa Marriott Hotel. And of course, kakaibang level na yon. And I was so blessed and I am so grateful to the owners, to the board of directors, and Dr. Connie, and sa lahat pa na namatin doon. Kumpleto po ang ating pong mga board of directors that time. And then after ng Marriott, the following year, as far as I remember, sa ano na po tayo, pang 5 taon na natin yan. Sa Manila Hotel, one of the best venue for me. Yeah, and ang team po natin yan ay yung Filipiniana. Napaka-exciting ng mga event at excited po yung mga tao. Ang sinasabi lagi ng mga bibigyan natin ng awards, hindi nila ma-explain ang pakiramdam dahil kung nung elementary sila, nung high school sila, hindi nare-recognize. Samantalang dito sa atin, sa M Global, at sa grupo natin ng United Empire Alliance, talagang binibigyan natin ng pagpapahalaga ang pagsisikap at pagod ng atin po mga top distributors. Yung sumunod naman ay after ng Manila Hotel, ay the following year, doon naman po tayo sa Shangri-La, sa EDSA Shang. Yeah. Ang team naman natin dyan ay I Will Color the World. Yes! At kapag ikaw ay masaya, nagiging makulay. At para maging masaya, dapat punong-puno ka talaga ng pag-ibig sa iyong puso. At yung 7th year naman po natin ay, syempre, dahil magbibigay tayo ng Diamond Award, ginawa po natin ang ating awards night sa Diamond Hotel. That was last year. And it was one of the most fantastic event because every year po nag-upgrade siya. And this time nga, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sofitel. Yeah? I hope that you will enjoy the night. Actually, it's not the food. It's yung ibibigay nating plaque. But it's the feelings of being there and being recognized as the top leaders or as one of the dynamic leader of our team, United Empire Alliance, and of course, of our company, AIM Global. Well, as you asked me kung bakit kami nagbibigay ng awards, paano kami nagbibigay, saan namin ibinabase ang award, hindi namin binibase ang award dahil sa laki lang ng kinikita. Marami pong mas malaki pang kinikita. Bakit sabi nila, ba't hindi kami nare-recognize? 5 na yung kotse ko, kuya, ba't hindi mo ko lagi binibigyan ng award? Well, it's not about the car. It's not about the millions that you have now. Sabi nga ni Dr. Connie, as far as I remember, it's the heart. What is the use of this money if you cannot give inspiration to people? That is why, number 1 po sa grupo ng United Empire Alliance is yung values. Because eventually, you yourself, as one of the leaders, you can have your own and you will have your own organization like this. Sabi nga ni Dr. Ed sa kanyang message last year.
How I wish there will come a time you will have your own group. Iimbitahan mo si Kuya E. Sasabihin mo, Kuya E, meron kaming Thanksgiving sa Sofitel. May Thanksgiving kami sa Manila Hotel. May Thanksgiving kami sa EDSA Shangri-La Hotel. Si Kuya E na lang ang guest of honor. Why? Because you were trained by the best. You now have your own group that you can organize something like this on your own. In Jensan, in Palawan, in Cebu, in Iligan, kaya nyo na yan. Parang magulang, hindi habang buhay. Nandiyan dyan.
It's just right here inside you. If you love what you do, it would be easier for you to get what you want in this world. It's very simple. People with this business is come and go. May darating, may aalis. Sabi nga nila, ipapahiram lang sa iyo ng Diyos ang mga taong yan para matuto ka. God will give you these people at pag hindi mo na sila kailangan, aalis na sila at aalisin sila ng Panginoong Diyos sa iyo. Bakit? nakapag-aral ka na, natuto ka na. And time will come, God will give also people will stay for you forever. Well, iba-iba ng reason ng mga tao kaya nila ginagawa ang network marketing business. But for me, this is my life. Well, of course, I want to go back to my passion in show business. I can still go back. But this is my life now. I can go back anytime. I can still do my passion naman with show business. But here, the good thing here, I can create millionaires. If in show business, I can build superstars. Here, with AIM Global, I can create, we can build, we can make multi-millionaires. Yung magawang milyonaryo, make sure lang po na turuan po natin ang mga tao na maging mabuti po sila. Ma-share ang kagandahan, especially ang grand purpose ng ating company is to be a true channel of blessings. And of course, for us to be a true channel of blessings, you should have this big V. The big V is the values. Yan po ang pinaka-importante. Kasi yung pera, madali na lang po yan. Susunod at susunod yan kapag ginagawa mo ng tamang negosyo. Well, with United Empire Alliance, salamat po sa aking mga generals. At sana ituloy-tuloy po natin ang pagtulong at pag-create sa mga tao na sila'y maging mabuti upang maging daluyan talaga ng masaganang biyaya. At ang aking mensahe, sana'y patuloy nating palawakin ng AIM Global, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. At para naman po sa ating mga Board of Directors, salamat po ng napakarami sa pagtatayo ng kumpanyang tulad nito. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Sir Jan Asperin, Sir Francis Miguel, Dr. Ed, and Dr. Connie, mabuhay po kayo. Pagpalain po tayong lahat ng pagmumiyos. At sa akin namang mga leaders, hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Sa aking mga generals, dito po sa United Empire Alliance, create your own empire and live your empire to the fullest. Don't ever, ever, ever stop. Don't ever, ever, ever quit. We are just right here. I am just right here. One text away, one call away, I will be there. Yes, this is Neo Kuya E. De Padua, nagsasabing stick with the world of millionaires, stick with AIM Global, mabuhay! And I am loyal. Mabuhay!